This 2014 Newmar Ventana 4037 is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 40 feet 10 inches in length and features leveling jacks, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, smoke detector, water heater, microwave, TV, LP detector, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.